Okay, hello dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I have said that I want to do a video to do origami earring. So this is a very silly one. I want to share with you the making process of it. And you will need origami paper. And for origami earring, it's better to have something a little bit heavy weighted. It might be difficult to fold it, but it will be so much more substance in it to make it. Why it's like this? To much more substance and make it stay a little bit better. And you will need these pins. Okay, you will take a look. So you will need origami paper, square paper, and it's better a little bit more substance, more weight, a little bit heavy will be good. You will need a pin if you like. You can use this and to hook up your origami that you have made. I just made this one, and the very first time I actually just use this to get my ear in. Yeah, actually you can use this and then a little hook will be also interesting. Anyway, it's your creative venue. You can think about whichever way you want it. And a couple of beads, not so necessary, not a must. Nice to have, not must have. And that's it. That's it. Then some patience, and you can start to make some origami earring, make some rose flower earring. I really admire my students. They make so beautiful works. I just cannot make it. And this is one way of butterfly. Here is another way of butterfly. Maybe if you like, you can cut out the sharp edge a little bit to make it a little bit softened. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so this one we will do the butterfly, and I am using one side color, the other side white, two different sides of color, so that you can see it better, and which is the front side and the back side. Later we will use this kind of pretty paper, and also this paper is relatively hard, and it has more texture and more weight in it, will be better. Okay, let's do a butterfly. So we have two sides. Make sure you do the color side. I want to see a blue butterfly or color butterfly. So I do first a color taco, right? And then origami always symmetric. And then we do another time taco. And make sure it is straight. I am not perfect, so it's okay. Okay, this time we turn it around. We do white hot dog. White hot dog. Okay. Open up another white hot dog. Okay, the paper is up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, mountain, valley, mountain, valley. It's already like this, so it's very easy. You put it perpendicular like this and push to the two sides. Naturally, it stands up, right? Becomes a little pyramid. And now you flatten it and lift up one leg from the right, press it in, lift up one leg from right, left, and only these two, this side, not do the back side, okay? Now we turn it around. This is the pyramid, and make it into a funnel, loader. And then lift this up, not right in the halfway. No. Over the halfway, not too much over the halfway. Just let's say a quarter over the halfway around it, and then press it down, and then pinch here, and press to the back. Then this is a flying butterfly. And if you want to do it for origami for earring, see, this is it. You can put some glue on it. And there was one time my student did another way. She press it here, pinch, still pinch, and then press here. And this all the way, and then press here, and then press back. It becomes a butterfly like this. Okay, I have pressed a little bit too much, so it's not that pretty, like this. And the paper, I'm overturning a little bit too much. I think it's 1/5 should be okay. Okay, let's do the official one. Yeah. If I lose face, it's even better. Which color do we choose? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If it's good, we do this kind of design one. Okay, we do this one. So, color taco. Make it as accurate as possible. Open up another taco, colorful taco, yellow taco. Open up white hot dog. Open up another white hot dog. Make sure you listen. White hot dog, colorful taco, yellow taco. Okay, now we have the yellow side up, and we put it like this, like a diamond, Press, press, press. It naturally stand up like a pyramid. Press 1, press 2, only one side, Now we tilt this just a little bit, not too much, just this much. Pinch it, press, use your finger to touch it. If you feel this is too sharp, you can cut it down. And this is a little butterfly. That is it, a little butterfly. We will do two, do we? Then we will do the punching so that we can wear it. And this is relatively easy. White hot dog, another white hot dog. It's always one side this way, one side perpendicular, one side horizontal. Now press it in. I feel this is an effective way. There are other people doing different way, and everything, as long as you can make it work, it is right. There is no fixed way of doing it. People have different preference. This works for me, and I am happy with it. So we can put a little bit of glue. Why not do it right here, right now? Okay, in class, I usually tell students, you count to 6 times 6, how many? So that they will count. 6 times 6. Okay, so for first grade, I will say 9 plus 5. And it takes some time for them to figure it out. It's 14. And then you count to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Yeah. And this one is, if it is middle school students, 18 times 18, 324. No, you do not need to count to 324. Divided by 10, 32.4. And round up to the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. Now, that is it. Now I will punch 2 holes, and it becomes a little earring. Okay, we got our 2. Actually, when the first time I make this, it's a school art show, and at that time we have a glow in the dark kind of a neon color. So I randomly cut some neon paper and made one for, this one 14 doesn't work. I think we need to count a little bit more. Anyway, you get the idea. And then I do a punch, and actually at that time I do not have any tool. I just use this staple, right? It's called staple, right? I use staple for it. Let's see what is the size of this one. They are different size. Let's try this size. Let's try this size. Is that too small? This is a little bit too big. Okay, one here. One here. Yeah, it's just let's make it simple. Dun, dun, da, dee, 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 da, dee, dun, da, dee, dee. I will do it super duper simple. Super duper simple. Shall we put a B here? Maybe we can put a B here, right? It's kind of yellowish. I have all these beautiful beads. Shall we choose the same family of color? Let's try this. That is a little bit too small, right? it adds some weight on it. Or maybe this one. Yellow or black. Let's see, where is my pens? Oh, a little bit too. That's it. Okay. There is room to improve, to say the least, right? Yeah, maybe I can put the weight a little bit in the center, not exactly in the center, but a little bit. Yeah, it's kind of fun. The two butterflies are flying. Yeah. Just this idea. And it's a little bit funny. So that's the purpose of it. It does look different. It does look silly. It does look, doesn't